My husband and I are avid travelers and we're always looking for the perfect suitcase. So we went ahead and got this 3-piece set by Level8, and I'm going to open it up for the first time. We are going to check it out and see what the hype is all about. Right away, absolutely love the way this looks. It feels just like so sleek and classy and like fancy. So it's a little bit heavy now because all of it, look how beautiful this is. I'm actually like shocked. This is stunning. Feels a little bit heavy right now because they are all inside each other. But so this is the 20-inch, 24-inch, and then 28-inch. And the best thing about this that I have read so far is the fact that they are super light. So each one of these, so I think I read like the smallest one, the 20-inch is only like 7.7 pounds. And then the medium suitcase is about 9 pounds. And then the large suitcase is only 12 pounds. So I don't know about you, even though I travel a lot, I'm a terrible packer. I always overpack. So knowing that my suitcase is a beautiful hard shell, but it only weighs 12 pounds is fantastic. So let's go ahead. Oh, look at the inside as well. Super nice. Of course, we've got the great little clips here to keep everything locked in. Okay, I love how it comes packaged. Everything is nicely, oh, I even hear bubble wrap in here. Man, I wish everything came packaged this nicely because you do not find that very often, let me tell you. So let's go ahead. You've got the beautiful wheels. So the wheels are the 360 spin wheels. So no more kind of like dragging it or getting it caught a certain way. These are just going to like this. Check this out. You can roll this around. So all three of them have these beautiful wheels on them. And then, whoop, each of them, ooh, I'm wondering if the small one does too. They all have the built-in lock as well. We're gonna go ahead and pop that open. Of course, there'll be directions inside here on how to set your code. Okay, and then the last one. It feels like those like little Russian dolls where you just like keep opening things. This is so exciting. Look how beautiful these are. We will take a closer look inside in a moment. I'm just trying to, again, packaging, fantastic. They also came in a, this is so light now that there's nothing else here. This is awesome. They came in a really nice box as well. So I do love that. So everything is nicely wrapped, nicely protected. And let's see, yep, this one as well has the lock at the top. I just like can't get over, like it's just so like, it's kind of like matte, but also kind of glossy. Like it's just so sleek looking, beautiful. Of course, you've got the great little handle here. All of them have that up here. You've got your handle here on the side. And as I showed you on the medium, all of them have those 360 wheels. You've got, I do love how the button is nice and flush right here. So we're gonna go ahead and push that, bring that up. Of course, you've got your beautiful retractable handle right there. Oh my goodness, I haven't been this excited for luggage in a long time. And then let's open this one up here. I think I read, oh yeah, check this out. This even comes with a bonus. I didn't even realize that till after. It comes with some packing cubes. How awesome is that? So inside here, you've got your beautiful set of packing cubes. And again, that's not even advertised. It's just a little bonus they throw in there for you. So yeah, of course, you've got, you know, you've got your different sides here. Very similar to a lot of the other suitcases. You have your 2 mesh pockets here. This one is your carry-on, of course, and then you've got lots of space in here. And then, as I said, you've got the medium. They all look similar. Basically, we're just kind of getting bigger in size as we go. But yeah, really heavy duty. As I said, only 12 pounds. Just over 9 pounds, just over 7 pounds. Absolutely beautiful. You can also, if you don't want to get all 3, you can do, there's all kinds of different combinations. You can actually get 2 of them or just 1 of them, you know, depending on what you're looking for. But man, oh man, I cannot wait to pack this beauty and go on my next trip.